Okay, hey, so here is another tutorial for you today. I will be showing you how to use a ChatGPT AI platform, the free version, plus a website builder that is also a free version of this website builder that you can help yourself to create your own sales page. And for this example, as you may already heard about from experts, the smartest way is not to create on your own something that is completely new. What you should do is learn how to copy the idea of what is already working. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use the example of a competitor ads in the network marketing space by getting the AI to analyze this page for me, right? By giving it, of course, a meaningful prompt for it to proceed its analysis work on the competitor sales page. And thereafter, I will get the AI to suggest to me what area should we improve on this sales page. And finally, the last step is to get it to prepare for me the entire sales page, whereby after that, I just need to copy and paste the improved version of this competitor sales page onto the website builder. And after that, we can just launch it. And the whole thing, right, if you have enough practice, right, you will only need, most likely, not more than an hour to launch your sales page, to start getting your qualified leads for your products or services. Now, let me flip the camera over to show you. So here we go. Okay, so for a start, you can copy, right, either the link or the actual file of your competitor website and put in this prompt. Can you analyze the sales page that promotes, whatever products or services that is, right, and get it to analyze this for further improvements. So there you are, in just a matter of seconds, it went on to give you a deep dive, the analysis of what is the strength and what are the weaknesses of this sales page of your competitors, right? They even went on to give you references, right? External third parties references, all right? Something like that, right? To help you to understand its analysis, okay? So thereafter, we can get it, right? It will actually prompt you, right? So what kind of format you would like to let it, to start creating your, improved version of your own sales page. So they have, help you to break it down into the various sections, right? For you to copy and paste it onto the website builder, which I'm going to show you subsequently as I scroll through, right? To show you the results of the ChatGPT preparation of your own sales page, right? Okay. Can you see? Right. So this is another version that, if you would like to do some A/B testing, right, on your sales page, that means version 1, version 2, they also can. The AI can also prepare that for you for testing purposes to see which sales page will get better results, right? Right. So here you are. So as you can see, very, very comprehensive, very professional looking as well, right? And finally, it is able to, help you based on your inputs, right, to create the visuals, right? Let me show you. Okay, which is this, that you can actually put it into your sales page, right, to enhance, right, the quality of your sales page. So now let's go over to the website builder, which the one that I'm using, right? If you have been following me, right, I'm using the system.io platform. Okay, so that is the logo of the system.io website builder platform, and this is the sales page that I've already done ahead of before recording this video. So let us go into the edit mode. Click on this, right? Can you see here? Exactly all this section, right, has been copy and paste over exactly the layout, has been suggested by the AI, right? So I just copy and paste, and that is why you can do it in the shortest possible time, right? And your whole sales page is completed just like that, okay? Now, okay, next, let me launch this to show you how it actually looks like on the laptop version, right? All right, okay, this is already active sales page, your own active sales page to market your products or services, right? Okay. Now, if you would like to deep dive and acquire such kind of skills, right, then I would like to recommend you to sign up for my mentorship program, which includes the mini course as well as tech support, the ongoing tech support for you, right? As you can see here. So what you are seeing here, right? How do you build landing pages, right? In this mentorship, right? So it is actually ongoing education and support for you, especially the technical aspect of it. When you want to pivot right? From offline to online, right? These are the fundamentals, right? Okay, and it is not just a one-time type of training. No, it is an ongoing. So long as you remain as a subscriber on my program, okay, and you will consistently get the support that you need, especially when you encounter the technical aspect in the digital space. I'll be able to support you, right, all the way, right? And through my years of a coach, right, as a coach in the digital space, in regards to digital marketing, right, coaching. So I realized that the more practical way of helping my clients or my students, right, I noticed that it's not about the short term type of training program. Either it is the one-on-one way or the pre-recorded version of the training, which is very common these days. I noticed that most of them include, excluding my own clients or students, I noticed, right, very common issues that these people always got stuck. The ongoing inconvenience they have is in the technical aspect in the digital space because it's constantly evolving, right? So this is why I set up this low ticket mentorship plus mini course plus tech support subscription program, because I find that it is a more practical, stress-free way for clients or students to be finally getting independent in the digital space. So if you want that, right, comment below this video, tech support, and I'll send you the link to check out my offer.